Yeah, hi, Marie. Yeah, it is still quite cold out here. And while the snow is done and that blizzard has moved on, as you can see behind me, the digging out has really just begun.
The late winter storm intensified as it moved east, stranding some travelers at major airports.
United told me they can't get me out till Tuesday, so then I checked with Delta.
Thousands of flights in the region were delayed or canceled Monday, with Atlanta imposing a temporary ground stop.
They kept telling us another hour will go, another hour will go, and at midnight they canceled the flight.
Forecasters say the system could bring hurricane-force winds, flash flooding, and possible tornadoes to much of the mid-Atlantic, including Washington, D.C.
During the storm, stay inside. If you need to travel, travel before the storm or wait until it's over.
Before tapering off, the storm pounded the upper Midwest, bringing more than 2 feet of snow to parts of Wisconsin. Green Bay got more than 17 inches Sunday, its biggest one-day snowfall since 1889.
By the wind coming off the snow coming off the building, I couldn't even see that this was that thick right here.
We got skiers in the streets.
In Michigan's Upper Peninsula, some residents use skis to get around, while this snowmobiler on Mackinac Island needed the Coast Guard to rescue him from the shifting ice.
Well, that blizzard warning ended just a short while ago. We're still getting quite a bit of wind here. The next major danger is these low temperatures. We are now expecting single digits to come in and continue that deep freeze. Marie?
Ian Lee Forrest in Green Bay. Ian, thank you so much.